Okay, we are doing a squishy haul. So first, we have this big hairy thing, ball thing, so that, and then these are two broken. They had mice in them, but they're squishy. And then we have this Nido, a white Nido, and then I just got these. They're a slow rising stress ball. And then I have this thing. And then we have it's a fake dumpling, but I still love it. It's a fake dumpling, but like, it's a fake glitter. I like it. But yeah, that's my squishy haul. Thank you.